Hello everybody. Some people have been asking me about Plan B, point number 8, to right-size staffing at smaller schools. And I've had some questions. One of the questions is that if we right-size the staff at smaller schools, how will special subject instruction be affected? And will smaller schools receive less instruction in PE, music, art, and technology? Because some people are concerned about that. So in order to answer that question, I have set up an example here using Brooks Elementary with 240 students, and I've compared that with Spring Hill Elementary, the proposed 696 students. So let's look at how it would work at a smaller school. If we have approximately 20 students in a class, and that would mean with 240 students, they would have approximately 12 classes. We would look at our kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth grade classes. And here there would be approximately 2 teachers in every class, teacher A and teacher B. And here's a schedule of how it might work with a Monday through Friday special schedule. So notice that in kindergarten, the PE teacher would on Monday would go to kindergarten A's class, and on Tuesday kindergarten B's class, and on Thursday B again, and on Friday A. So the way it works out is that every class has PE 2 times, which is what they're required to have per week. So notice the PE teacher is only needed on Monday and Tuesday, and on Thursday and Friday, with 6 classes per day. And that would be 80% funding for that teacher. So let's look at the technology teacher would only need to be at Brooks Elementary on Monday and Tuesday, and they would be able to switch. On Monday they would see the B grade students, and on Tuesday they would see the A grade students. So A and B is just to identify them. So now let's look at art. The art teacher would be there on Wednesday and Friday, and they would be able to see all the classes on those 2 days. And then music on Wednesday and Thursday. Here's the music teacher coming on Wednesday and on Thursday. So notice that the students receive all of the same special subject instruction as other schools would receive. But if you look at either having this teacher go part-time or sharing this teacher with another small school, you would have a total of 2 funded teachers. And now let's look at Spring Hill Elementary with 696 students proposed. Again, with the same number of students approximately per class would give us 35 classes of students. And see, now in kindergarten we would have, say, 6 different teachers, and in first grade and so on. So this schedule would work in the same way with 2 PEs, the technology, art, and music. And then when you add that up for the number of classes that you have, you would need 1.2 art teachers, 1.2 music teachers, 2.4 PE teachers, and 1.2 technology teachers, for a total of 6 teachers. So you see that it is cost effective to either have a small school or a larger school, because your specials teachers are going to be serving that number of students. So with less students, you need less teachers. With more students, you need more teachers, and it all works out the same. So in answer to the question, if we right-size the staff at smaller schools, how will special subject instruction be affected? It will really not be affected, other than teachers at smaller schools will be assigned to more than one school and be there on different days. And will smaller schools receive less instruction in PE, art, music, and technology? And the answer to that is no. And right now, if we look at right-sizing our smaller schools, this will save us some money with staffing, and it will also allow us to keep all our great community schools open. And that is an answer to the questions for Plan B number 8, right-size staffing at smaller schools. Thank you. Bye-bye.